Today I want to talk about design trends, and I'm not talking about corn on the cob stools or any of that nonsense. I'm talking about house plan trends that are wrong. The plan is somewhere around 2,400 to 4,000 square feet. I've seen a variation of this set of plans called a farmhouse, modern farmhouse, a contemporary ranch. As you'll notice, here's the entry. You come in, great room, kitchen, dining area. On one side, we've got the kids' wing and some closets, office over here, and then we have the master or primary bedroom, walk-in closet, the primary bathroom, closet, mudroom, some other nonsense is on one side, and the kids' bedrooms are on the other, an office with a great room in the middle. If it sounds familiar, stick around because we're going to go through what's wrong with these plans. Disposable decor is offensive, maybe a stupid purchase in a year, but it's not permanent. Your house plans are, and so you want to get them right. So I've been looking over the same set. It is on Reddit, Facebook groups, subscribers send me them. It's everywhere. Master bath, into the master closet, into the laundry. 2 bedrooms, master over here, into the bathroom, into the closet, into the bathroom, into the other closet, with access to the laundry. The layout is very similar. So we go through into the primary bedroom. We have to go into this ginormous bathroom and then into the walk-in closet to get our clothes. The idea that one size fits all repels me, and I'll tell you why. I was recently at a store with my daughters, forget the name of it, Glanville,
Melville, Brandy Glanville, Melville, Brandy.
I think that's the one from Real Housewives. Brandy make you feel bad about yourself because it's a one-size-fits-all, and that's a freaking lie. And that's the same in home plans. And the most popular home plans are much the same as Brandy. They do not leave you feeling good about yourself. I'm going to show you how I go through them, what my thought process is as I'm walking through the house. So if someone's in here and I want to come through, it's disconcerting to have someone coming through the bathroom when you're in it. Also, the shower's enormous, just as a side note, to make sure that it works. Now, most of these mistakes are not technically mistakes. They're wasted space. Now, you'll notice there's a hallway here, a long hallway here, another long hallway going to the laundry here. It's a lot of square footage to give up to hallways. This foyer is almost 8 feet wide, and yet there's not a coat closet in it. Improperly placed doors. The closet door is pushed off to the side. Just stupid ideas, but they aren't going to make the house fall down. And so these plans keep selling, just like Brandy. I don't get it. If you're going to buy them, let's make them right for you. Quit moving around on me. Okay, no matter what, if you buy plans online, you're going to have to take them to a local architect or engineer and get them in shape for your neighborhood, for your codes, for your site. Now, I get the idea it's a tried and true tested plan. By who? Where's the lady 5 years from now saying how that closet door didn't drive her crazy every time she went in the pantry? You'll see in this bedroom here, they've got the walk-in closet, but they've got the door all the way to the right. So this wall can't have any shelves. Now this one, look at this. Here's a bathroom, a walk-in closet, again with the door pushed all the way to the side, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 doors in this bedroom. It's chaotic. They don't know if they have any privacy when they go to the bathroom. A better solution would be to end the room here and have a door that swings in. Have the bathroom end here with a single door that swings in, and now we've gained all this space for the closet with a door that's centered so that we can hang on this side and on this side. Ta-da! Wait a second. Let's get rid of that. Upon further review, we should probably move the closet door here so that when you walk into this room, you walk into just only one door. You don't see a sea of doors. Tried and true is, take it with a grain of salt. They have tremendous closets. However, there are some issues with these. can't get to it without going through the bathroom. Now, I don't know about you, but in my house, we have a 2-door insulation rule. Not being in the same wing of the house when someone's in the bathroom. So if my husband and I are getting dressed at the same time to go out, I can't get in my closet because he's in the bathroom. That doesn't work for me. Privacy. When someone's using the bathroom and someone else is coming through to put laundry away or do whatever. Now you see here on this one, we've got the owner's suite, another enormously long hallway and a bathroom with a lot of dead space in the middle. Walk-in closet here, walk-in closet here, with no other access. So you have to go through the bathroom when someone else is in there to get to your closet. Doesn't work for me. And while we're on the closet, once you finally get there, it's got another door to the laundry. I've got a couple of problems with this. I love the idea, the convenience of being able to come into your closet, take off your clothes, throw them right in the laundry. Sounds great. However, let's think about that laundry room. No other place in your house generates as much moisture, dust, or noise next to my closet. I don't want that seeping underneath the door. I want solid sheetrock sealed up. I want a doorway I can walk out and come back in. And speaking of doorways, oh my goodness. First of all, put them in the center of a wall. If you have a walk-in closet, do not put the door to one side or the other. You lose all of that wall space, which is potentially 3 feet, which if you do double hanging, that's 6 linear feet. 6 feet of hanging space you've just lost because you put the door off to the side and it has to have somewhere to slam. You can only hang your belts back there. Whenever you add a doorway, you take away a minimum of 3 feet of space. The door swing, the actual space for the door, what I could do with that in a closet is magical. So I don't want to give that up. That real estate is valuable. And plus the access into my bedroom, I don't want it. You have to make a decision for you. All right, what's wrong with this picture? Here is the primary bedroom. We've got this enormous 8-foot bathroom and the walk-in closet with access here and access to the laundry room through the walk-in closet. Can't get back here to clean that tub though. It's just, and look at all this hallway. Oy, oy, oy. Now some of this stuff is my opinion. However, moisture, dust, and noise, that's not my opinion. Those are facts. Access from the master into the laundry. They've designed these massive walk-in closets with too much space. The bathroom's so big, and this space in the middle of the walk-in is just dead space. This hanging's going to hang out here and here. The only thing you can do there is a Superman change. Not enough space for an island, but too much space to waste that you could give to a living room that needs some space, or you could give to another room. And then in these kids' rooms, they design these, what I'd call lean-ins. They're not really a walk-in and they're not a wall closet. They're about 3 feet deep. So what you end up with is this really long closet that has a lot of 1-foot space in the middle. It's a waste of space. Make it a wall closet, give them more room in the bedroom, or give the room to the living room. Pay attention to the location of closets or any utility type rooms, pantries, mudrooms, sculleries, all of that stuff, because there is no insulation generally included. You'll get it on the exterior walls, but interior walls, unless you ask for it, are not insulated. So use your closets, use your pantries, use your sculleries, use all of those utilitarian spaces that people won't generally be in all the time or be making noise in to insulate your bedrooms from the kitchen, from a bathroom. Closets make great sound insulation. Lots of hallway. There's an abundance of hallways in this plan. A little hallway here, and I can see they use the hallways because they want to give you sound insulation between the kids' wing or the primary bedroom and the great room and the kitchen space. However, a closet on the wall would give you that sound insulation and also give you 3.5 more feet of room in the great room, which you're gonna need. Now in this plan, they've used a powder room and the pantry to give privacy and sound insulation to this guest room. Also, the hallway will do that. There's wasted opportunities in these plans to put them between a bedroom and a bathroom so you don't hear when your brother gets up in the middle of the night and flushes. Use closets for sound insulation, like between the bedroom and the great room. Speaking of the great room, they're not so great in these plans. Now, I did a video recently where I went through a subscriber's plans that had one of these great rooms. Once you figure all your furniture and the clearances between a living room and an island, which is usually how they have these set up, it doesn't end up being all that much room. So be sure that you verify, you put in your actual size sofas, your actual size chairs, whatever's going in those rooms, and you allow for clearances behind a stool to pull out and for people to stand at an island. If you entertain a lot, you need 5 feet at a minimum behind an island to clear, to have people hanging out and to walk behind. That space starts to eat up into the living room. One of these plans has this beautiful kitchen all laid out, great room right beside it. But if you read the measurements and you start to calculate. So in this layout, again, we've got the great room configuration with the kitchen here, a big island, and enormous pantry. The problem is the kitchen is about almost 14 feet wide and the great room is 19 feet wide. So if we figure 2 feet for the cabinetry, 4 feet for the clearance to get around the island on this side, we add those up. What are we up to? 5.9. That's 11 feet. They're showing the kitchen at 13 feet. 5 feet for the island, we're up to 11. We need another 5 feet for those stools and to be able to walk around it. So we're at 16 feet off of 13. That's negative math, which means that 19-foot great room just became a 16-foot room. So pay attention to the dimensions. Those stools clearance has to borrow from the great room next door. So where it says 19, it's really 16. Pay attention to the numbers. A lot of these plans have a scullery, a pantry, a mudroom, an office, a guest room. That's a lot of rooms to store stuff. If you're a canner, if you have specific needs for specific rooms, that's great. If you're a regular person like me, you're going to be putting things away in the scullery, in the mudroom, in the pantry, and in the kitchen. And when I go to find something, it's going to take me a half hour. Combining some of these rooms into one bigger space or giving more space to the kitchen might be better suited in some cases. I mean, the kitchens get small and they have this huge pantry. Who wants to be in this big, dark, long, cavernous room with no windows when everyone else is outside? Make the kitchen bigger. I don't know what the perfect solution is here. We need storage. I love pantries. I love hidden storage. But there's got to be a balance when you're taking away from the space where you live in. I see these plans daily, posted in Facebook groups, on Reddit, getting sent to me, help. The one thing I don't see in any of them is a lighting plan. Not a single one of them includes a detailed lighting plan. And that's mistake number 7. Lucky 7. Lucky for you, because I think I'm going to make a video about how to light this house. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Having trouble saying convenience.